To get to the screen without PathPilot, you have to have a real keyboard that has a correct left side. Hold the left Control Alt as you power on, and it will boot up straight to the desktop. And as you can see, you have typical computer desktop looking things here. I've got my thumb drive installed, and what we do is we go to that, we will go to the 7.7 hybrid file, and in my case I want the Tormach 770 specific.ini. If you're in the, I did include the original files in case you ever need to go back. Of course, you can just refresh that from Tormach itself. Roll back your version of PathPilot and/or reinstall or re-update. But we want the hybrid files and that Tormach 770 specific.ini. And here we're going to operator TMC configs Tormach mill, and we're just going to drop it in there. That's operator TMC configs Tormach mill. And then all we have to do is just drag and drop this in here. Now I'm not going to do that because I have different peripherals added to mine already. But in your case, that's all you need to do. It's probably easier to get to PathPilot by restarting the computer. I have a launcher on my desktop, so that's all I do. But yeah, just restart your computer and it should go right into PathPilot like it always does. Okay, once you have the system installed and before you update PathPilot with the faster feed any files, go ahead and jog it around and make sure it works. Reference your machine. Just make sure that they're functioning correctly. When you reference the machine, remember the table wants to come toward the operator and to the right if you're looking at the machine, and the head should go up. If any of those do not happen, stop the machine. Dip switch number 2 on the drives needs to be switched. They shouldn't need to be. I should have them already set correctly. That's all I got for now. If I can help you out, please reach out to me. I want you to have the best experience possible with these. And yeah, thanks for buying these. I really appreciate it. I'm really having a lot of fun doing this. So yeah, these machines are so much more capable than what they were released with from the factory. So let's get out there and make some stuff. Y'all have a good one. Thanks.